Welcome to this step-by-step guide that details how to add plugins to your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage by entering the domain name wordpress.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on the login button to proceed. After selecting login, you will notice an option that says continue with Google. Choosing this option simplifies the process if you already have an existing Google account. When you click on continue with Google, a new window or tab will display a list of Google accounts that you have access to. Select the account you prefer to use to manage your website. This selection is essential because your website settings and plugins are linked to the account you choose. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the plugin section of the WordPress dashboard. You may follow the link provided on the WordPress site that leads directly to the plugins page. As you reach this section, you will see a marketplace filled with various plugins designed to enhance your website's functionality. The marketplace features numerous plugins categorized by their functions, whether they help improve site security, boost performance, or add new interactive features. Take your time to either search for a specific plugin using the search bar or browse through the available options to find the one that best fits the needs of your website. When you have identified the plugin that seems ideal for your needs, click on its title to view more detailed information. This detailed page provides insights into the plugin's features, benefits, and pricing if there is a cost involved. It also includes user reviews and ratings that can help you assess whether the plugin will integrate well with your website. Review the information carefully to ensure that this plugin is the right choice for enhancing your site's performance and user experience. If you decide that the plugin meets your expectations, proceed by clicking on the purchase and activation option available on the plugin's description page. This action initiates the payment process, where you will be asked to provide payment details and confirm the purchase. The plugin will then be activated on your website once the payment transactions are successfully completed. This final step integrates the plugin into your website's dashboard, making it ready for further configuration based on your specific preferences. Throughout this process, maintaining focus on each individual step is essential. By carefully following these instructions, you are ensuring that you correctly set up the plugin and optimize your website's performance. Remember to always review the details of each plugin before committing to a purchase, and take advantage of the resources provided by WordPress for any help or additional information if you need further assistance. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and improved design options now available with your newly added plugin on WordPress.com.